Zhrc exposes Partisan, Policing in Murehwa Political Violence Case. The 11th of September 2025, by Change Radio, the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission, Zhrc, has issued a damning report exposing partisan policing and judicial mishandling in the Murehwa political violence case, where 9 Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, supporters were brutally attacked by ruling ZANU PF activists. The findings were tabled at a commission, meeting on complaints handling and investigations, held on the 9th of April 2025 in Harare. The probe followed reports from victims who said they were ambushed on the 23rd of August 2022 after a ward meeting, stripped of party regalia, and robbed of phones, money, and clothes. According to the Zhrc, victims reported the case at Mnangagwa police base 2 days after the assault. Yet no arrests were made for months. Instead of proper procedure, the accused were summoned to court through a ZANU PF chairman, a move the Murehwa Magistrates Court described as astonishing and a breach of law. The court questioned why theft was excluded, chastising police for their partisan handling. Ultimately, the 3 accused were acquitted on some counts, leaving victims uncompensated and without justice. The commission concluded that the ZRP failed its constitutional duty to uphold the law impartially. Police displayed partisan conduct, shielding ruling party activists. Victims' political rights, equality before the law, and administrative justice were violated. Mishandling of the case undermined public trust in the justice system. Civil society leaders argue the victims deserve compensation for stolen property and state acknowledgement of wrongdoing. Justice delayed is justice denied. But in this case, justice was not only delayed, it was distorted, said one activist after the report's release. The Zhrc urged the Minister of Home Affairs to enforce corrective measures within the police, called on the National Prosecuting Authority to monitor politically sensitive cases for bias, and demanded ZANU PF leadership in Mashonaland East denounce political violence publicly.